This is the best car I've ever driven.
Yeah.
1000% giddy AF. .2 could be peak 3RS. It could be. God, that sounds so good. Loved it.
Even with the goofy ass shift pedals?
All right, fuck these paddles. Like, dude, it's so fucking raw.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It sounds so good. It's like a whip. Which is... There's just no way. Oh my God. Oh, this is the most raw car I've ever driven. Oh my God. There's no way. All right. I would not sell this car for a new 3RS.
No.
I would not.
This is the best car.
This is the best car.
This is the best one.
This is the best one. That little crack on the shift. It's like a sequence. Dude, it's so sick.